If you're replacing a 4-wire power cord with a 3-wire one, confirm that the old cord is unplugged. Then remove the screw securing the terminal block access panel and pull the panel off. Remove the terminal block screws and detach the wires. Remove the screw to release the grounding connection. Loosen the screws securing the strain relief and pull the old power cord out. Now remove the screws from the strain relief and pull the relief out of the rear panel. To prepare the new 3-wire power cord for installation, first remove the screw or screws securing the strain relief to the new cord and separate the two halves. Insert the tabs on the two halves of the strain relief into the power cord hole on the dryer's rear panel, and insert the screws to hold the relief together loosely. Now insert the power cord through the strain relief and position the wires near the terminal block. The outside wire should be attached to the outside terminals, and the middle wire should be attached to the middle terminal. Once the power cord wires have been aligned with the appropriate terminals, secure them with the screws. The grounding connection can now be positioned on the rear panel and secured with the screw. Now tighten the strain relief screws to secure the power cord. Reposition the terminal block access panel and secure it with the screw. You're now ready to plug the new power cord in and confirm that the dryer is functioning properly.